Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We spent a wonderful night in a beautiful little Airbnb just outside of Wexford, and now we're about 40 kilometers away from Loftus Hall that we're going to go check out. Apparently it's one of the most haunted places in Ireland, but we just found out from the proprietor of the Airbnb that it was sold and is now a hotel, so whether it's open or not remains to be seen. Their website's still up, but apparently the previous owners are just too lazy to take it down. So I guess we'll find out in about half an hour. Doesn't look good. It looks like it was sold and is under renovations right now, considering it's covered entirely in bubble wrap. Well, even though it's under construction, let's see if we can take a sneak peek. Well, it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice hotel once it gets done. It would have been cool to see it in its previous state before they ripped everything apart. Well, we got a little tour walking around Loftus Hall. Now we're on the way to see what possibly could be the oldest lighthouse in the world. So there it is, Hook Lighthouse. Built in the 13th century, it's believed to be one of the oldest working lighthouses in the world. Arr! What's your pirate name? Brenda's is?
Dirty Patch McStinky.
And my pirate name is Deadman George Bird. Deadman George Bird.
Oh, I'm much better.
That's pretty lame. So over there is the Ballyhack Ferry. It's just going to take us right across from Hookhead. Instead of having to drive all the way up and around, there's a little ferry that the lady at the Airbnb told us about. And there's a cliff walk way over yonder there that we're going to get up to. came to Tramore, it's specifically for the amusement park, but it's not even open. And really, I was hoping for the miniature train, and that's not even running. Oh, you're terrible.
Oh, you're good.
Oh my god. Ah. Oh no, 5-2. I got robbed.
Whoa!
Woo!
You got him
I
back.
put in 2, I got 3.
Oh, there, it took yours.
Suck up our tickets. We're winning my $1.60, and I got 40 tickets, so I got this airplane.
And you lost at air hockey.
And the rigged game of air hockey.
Yeah.
All right, put it together. It's super windy. Let's see how far it goes. It's crash landing. That was terrible. Doesn't fly like I remember as a kid. All right, about to start the coastal walk at Dumore East. A nice blustery day. Little known fact is that seafoam is caused by large amounts of algae decaying, and it gets churned up as organic matter. Most foam is not harmful. Just had our little snack at Rathmoylan Cove, about 5k from where we started, and the weather's starting to move in. It's supposed to rain in a few hours, but it might come early, so hopefully the rain doesn't hit us before we get back. And we're back. That concludes the Dumore Cliffs. Around 10k walk, well worth it. And we beat the rain as well. And now we're... Shut up. There's a cliff log. There's a little known fact that seafoam is carved. A tasty snack. Hopefully we can escape the rain by the time we get back. No.